Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching Dear Lydia. Today's video I am going to share with all of you a beauty product I just received recently from One Size Beauty. So One Size Beauty is founded by Starrr. So this is a beauty product that one size fits all, and what I love about this beauty product is it's vegan and also cruelty free. You can get this from Sephora or direct to the website at onesizebeauty.com. I'm excited to unbox it. Let's unbox together. Okay. So I got this with the one size label, and I also have the puff. Okay, so cute, the puff, the one size puff. And what else do I have here? This is their full-on Faux lashes. Wow, look at how dramatic it is. Alright, I'm going to unbox this Starrr Visionary eyeshadow palette first. Okay. Oh wow! Look at the palette. It is so unique. Even the shape of the palette is very unique. And okay, there's OS, which is one size. Look at this. Okay, there's a mirror, and these are the sheets. Look at the sheets. Okay, the best thing is they have black. Most of the sheets are very suitable, okay, to doll our clients and brides, and of course to doll ourselves too. We have two ultimate setting powder over here. So I have code number 1 and code number 2. Code number 1 is in translucent, and number 2 is in dark or deep. Okay, right, what else we have? Okay, we have this Go Off makeup remover wipes. Go Off makeup remover wipes. And then, okay, I have a few over here. Okay, this is a 24-hour liquid eyeliner. It's in code black. Okay, this is also eyeliner. It's a gel eyeliner pencil in busty brown. So I have black and brown. And what is this? This is eye popper. Wow, I like eye poppers. I receive eye poppers from One Size Beauty from code 1 to code 5. And I also received this. Okay, this is the founder Starrr. Alright. And okay, there's something written on it. So this is the booklet. Most of the products that I received from One Size Beauty are in the booklet. Okay, what I love about the founder is Starrr is an inspired icon, beauty influencer that create this one size fits all beauty product with a purpose, which is, you know, the brand is driving kindness and individuality through meaningful connection, and it's really empowering. Okay, it really tells us that, you know, you have to be just confident, and everyone is beautiful, beautiful in their own way. So without further ado, I'm going to start to try out the makeup products. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the book sheets over here. Right now I'm just going to use a clean brush, and I'm just gonna, you know, blend it well. Okay, I want to see all the harsh lines. And next I'm going to use a darker brown, okay, in Coat Brownie. So I'm just gonna blend with the clean brush again. Right now I'm going to take the Manila Sands coat, and I'm gonna just apply it on my eyelid. So pigmented, and the colors are so nice. Now I'm gonna take the Coat Walnut Stripe, and I'm gonna apply on my eyelid from the center. Right. I'm going to enhance my outer corner with black, which is in Coat Turban Legend. So I'm gonna just gently I'm gonna just use brownie to apply my half of my under eye area. I'm gonna just blend everything with a clean brush. Okay, I'm gonna take my one size busty brown eyeliner pencil to apply on my waterline. It is so soft, so smooth. It doesn't hurt my eyes at all. Ooh. Oh, alright. Then take this one size black gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. brush is so smooth and easy to manage. I'm going to use is eye popper. So I'm using the eye popper in code B House. Okay, this one I'm going to just use my fingertips. So I'm going to just apply it. Okay, I just find it like, you know, my using your fingertips is much more manageable. As if I'm able to manage. Wow, it's super pigmented, and you can see the shimmer. This brush here, I'm gonna just dab the eye popper, spread it gently. I'm in love with the eye popper. It's really easy to manage. Wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a brush and then I'm going to apply it under my eye area. Okay. Okay, the same thing. So last but not least, I'm gonna use the one size eyelashes. I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. It is so soft. It is so soft. Wow.
Like me till sundown when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, that is all for today's video. I hope this video is beneficial for you, and I hope you enjoy watching this video and my very quick makeup tutorial using one size fits all beauty cosmetics. I really love all the products. They are vegan, they are cruelty free. Okay, the eye popper, the glitters is very pigmented and also really easy to apply. And that is all. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos on tutorials and others too. Bye bye.